Inom ka, inom. Mamam. Juice. Hmm? Beautiful eyes ka muna daw. Ganda daw naman, Galing, Asan daw yung juice mo? Asan yung juice? Asan yung mamam? Asan yung mamam? Asan daw yung mamam mo? O, yung juice. Inom ka na. Inom ka muna.
There wasn't enough room for them to spread out.
Oh, beautiful eyes daw. Asan yung beautiful eyes niya? Patingin. Beautiful eyes muna. Ang galing naman no? Close open. Close open. Saw-saw suka. Saw-saw suka. Mauletaya. Kumakain. Kain ka muna. Sige. Beautiful eyes. Ala. 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 Ba-beautiful eyes siya. Ala. O, inom na. Inom. Inom ka muna. Inom muna para hindi... galing O, beautiful eyes nga daw. O, pakita daw yung teeth. Patingin muna ng teeth. Patingin ng teeth niya. Sige, inom pa. Galing
Hola, Handyman's Repair Shop.
Hi, Daddy. This is Jackie Green.
Hi, Jackie. What can we do for you?
I know this isn't something unusual to do, but you're so good with plants, and I'm hoping you can help. I'm having a little problem with one of the trees in the park.
What kind of problem?
It's one of our cherry trees. The leaves look wilted, and it hardly has any flowers. The park can help me figure out what to do for it.
Let's see, we'll be right over. I'm sure we can find a way to make the trees feel better. Okay, guys. We're going to the park to help Jackie with an árbol enfermo. Sick tree. Ready?
O, may tinapay pa sa kamay. May tinapay pa sa kamay. O, sige, dance na, dance. O, inom ka na, inom. Mayroon pang tinapay. Sige. Yay! Ang galing, Nala! Wala na. O, inom na. Inom ka na muna. Inom na ka.
Yes, well,
Pinaglalaruan mo yung kamay mo. Sausaw, suka, maulita. Yeah. Sus. Asus.